from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 1:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 10:29 a.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail from 50 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor to 57 nautical miles southwest of Northerly Island, moving east at 40 knots. These strong thunderstorms will pass near Calumet Harbor, Northerly Island, and Wilmette Harbor. Mariners can expect gusty winds, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
The current time is 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time.